Sanibonani. Ngiyanibulisa ngegama laka mama namhlanje. Winifred Khumalo, a friend of peace. My best friend, my twin. You know, abaziyo bayazi ukuthi besihlale C2. And I'm with my soldier right here, my brother. We want to do a song that we used to sing, C3. I know she'll be singing with us, Ngogwa Moya. So, yeah, let's take it away. A cappella.
Okay, nami ngaphambi kokuthi siqale a cappella ngithi angisungumuntu wamazwi amaningi. So ngithi angize nami ngizo senda off umama ngento bekayithanda kakhulu. Angisiyena umculi kodwa ngizokwenza namhlanje. Ngiyabonga.
Ngenze Nkosi yami, ngenze bawo, ngikukhonze ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Ngenze Nkosi yami, ngenze bawo, ngikukhonze ngenhliziyo yami yonke. uJesu wangihola, uJesu wangihola, yebo uJesu wangihola, uJesu wangihola, wangihola, wangihola.
Thank you so much, guys. Makungo, are you ready? This is a special one for my mother from me. It's called Hlonipha. Kuthiwa hlonipha uyihlo nonyoko basasekhona emhlabeni ukuthi insuku zakho zande. Langa balele kwakhanyana kimi,
ndayibona indlela hlosilifumile bantu abadala camako. Langa libalele kwakhanyana kimi, ndayibona indlela hlosilifumile bantu abadala camako. Babekhuluma nawe ubolalela, phika nkanini fele nkanini bantu abadala camako. Nindlela lena babekhuluma nawe ubolalela, sala kutshela sibona ngomopho ngiyashweleza camako. Asaba ukuzinsuku hlonipha, hlonipha uyihlo nonyoko emhlabeni. Hlonipha umdali, hlonipha abalele. Hlonipha, hlonipha uyihlo nonyoko emhlabeni. Hlonipha umdali, hlonipha abalele.
This is a special one. It says,
Ave ngamlalela ngumama, mhlambe ngaba ngikho, mhlambe ngaba ngisekho, yazi uzongishisela impepho mama ngabe ngangamlalela ngumama mhlambe ngaba ngikho mhlambe ngaba ngisekho yazi uzongishisela impepho mama izwa ithini asana kudala ndibona ndiphila kanje ndibona ndiphila kanje kungenxa yothando lwakhe mehlo wam avuliwe hlebe sam simamele mlomo wam uthetha naye nguye yedwa wavutha umlilo namalanga asana wavutha umlilo nakulo mlilo wavutha umlilo namalanga wavutha umlilo nakulo mlilo wavutha umlilo namalanga wavutha umlilo nakulo mlilo wavutha umlilo namalanga wavutha umlilo sana nakulo mlilo lilo 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 lo mlilo lilo 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 lo mlilo lilo 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 lo mlilo lilo lilo what's up uthando lukamama ludala imilingo kusukuma ishosha intando yakho abangaboni sebeyobona mina ngeke ngikwazi ukufakazela omunye umuntu kodwa uthando lwakho mina ngizotshela abaningi. Thank you so much ngiyabonga. My name is Rethabile Khumalo.
Hello everyone, Ngiyanothisanoke and welcome to my channel. That was Rethabile and her brother Thando paying tribute to their mother Winnie Khumalo. The veteran singer and actress passed away last week. Apparently, Winnie was rushed to hospital on the morning of the 7th of January by her daughter Rethabile after vomiting blood, and unfortunately she never made it back home. Yo, that medley, especially the rendition of Umlilo, had me crying like nobody's business. I mean, it's a Grove song, but that rendition, I don't know if it's her voice or the sound or the moment. Anyway, losing a mother is one of the worst things ever. Somizi described the pain accurately in his condolences to Winnie's children. I'm going to leave you with his video. Again, condolences to Rethabile and her brother, Thando.
The only thing, Rethabile and your brother, what people did not warn, or they never warn us about, is the impact of losing a mother. That part, yongikwatisa kakhulu ukuthi why ningasitsheli ukuthi kanti kubuhlungu so ukushiwa umama. And I don't like comparing, but there's a difference ukushiwa ubaba nokushiwa mama, and it's because also there's an attachment of an umbilical cord, but mothers are multitaskers. They can do everything and anything. They can be anything and everything that you want them to be. I'm a chameleon. They morph into you. They become whatever you want them to be. And that is why it's difficult. That's the one thing they never warned us. Let me tell you, nothing will ever be the same again. Ungaforced ukuthi wenze ngathi bathi time heals. Ayikho lento leyo. Banganikhohlisi. Time does not heal. Time makes it better. So you must remember that it's natural for you to cry again in 20 years' time the way you were crying today. It's natural and it's okay. And nobody should tell you how long you should mourn your mother. You must mourn as much as you can. And sometimes you're going to have moments where you feel like kushone namhlanje. And it's okay. So just remember that. Nothing will ever be the same. Christmases are not going to be the same. Your birthdays are not going to be the same. Nothing is going to be the same. And chances are as well, I want to advise the family to stay together as much as you can, because when you lose the mother, you realize that she was the glue of the family. and you start having Christmases alone and special events alone, but you must remember it is okay to mourn forever. Ne?